get started on removing this, we're going to remove the 4 mounting screws for this lens assembly right here. Slide this out of the way. At this point, you can see right behind there, there's some twist-on nuts. We're going to remove those. All right, before we get off those mounting nuts, let's go ahead and get the wiring off of here. Just twist it to the left. It's a great time to check your bulb. If it needs to be replaced, go ahead and do it now. It's a 194. We'll set that aside. I'm going to use my 13mm ratchet wrench. You could also use a socket with a ratchet if you needed to. Right inside here, and remove those nuts. Get our lens in here. Slides right in. You have the longer part hanging off to the side right there. Grab one of your little nuts there. They're kind of strange looking. Start it on the stud. I'm going to tighten that down a little bit, and then I'll tighten up the other one a little bit, and then we'll snug them up. Alright, both of those are nice and tight. Take a peek in there. Looks great. So we went ahead and replaced that 194 bulb. Let's get it reinstalled back into the assembly. Just kind of turn it counterclockwise until it latches in, and then turn it clockwise until it's completely locked in. That feels good. Line it up. Oh yeah, that looks great. Let's get our screws in. Okay, now I'm just going to snug them up. Beautiful. All right, let's test it.